Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create this circular moving text animation on Figma. So the first thing you're going to do is to run the plugin. The plugin is called Circular Text. So just go to your plugin panel and search for the plugin, then run the plugin. So this is what the plugin looks like. So you're going to input your text here, the text you want it to be. So you can also change the degree. That's how you want it to form. So it can be 180, it can be 360. So I'm going to generate for 360 here, and so this is what I have a circular text already. So to make this animated, so you're going to highlight everything, then you frame it. So you frame it first, then you frame again. So I'm just going to change the name to frame body, then frame it again and change this name to frame main. So the frame body is inside the frame main. Then I'm going to duplicate the frame main. Then I'm going to change the rotation. So you're just going to rotate it. That's all you're going to be doing basically. So I'm going to rotate it, and I'll be rotating it by 90 degrees each. You're going to duplicate your frames multiple times. Then you're going to change the rotation. So just rotate it. You can rotate it manually, or you can use your rotation on your right side panel to change it. So you have done that, just highlight everything, then put them in a component set. That is going to be an after delay 1 millisecond, then smart animate. Put it in linear because you want it to move in a linear manner. So put it in linear. Then you do the same thing for all the frames. That's a frame main. So you're going to put the same animation option for all of them. So for the last one, we're going to do something for the last one, the same thing you did. So after delay 1, then it's going to be on instant instead of usual smart animate. So after that, you're going to create a frame. Then you can bring in your assets inside that particular frame. So you can play the prototype or you can play the review and see how it comes. So let me know if you'll be creating this circular text animation on Figma. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Link in my bio. Thank you, guys. Happy designing.